Welcome to Story Time. Adam, Annie and the Ants. Author and illustrator, Squiggly Lines. One afternoon, Adam and his little sister Annie were sitting at home and feeling bored. Annie said, "Adam, I am feeling bored. Let's do something fun." Adam replied, "Oh yes, we can go for a picnic." Annie ran to the kitchen and brought a basket and a mat. Adam made delicious apple jam sandwiches and cut some avocado. They packed everything neatly into the basket. At the park, they sat under an apple tree and began to eat. Yummy, yummy in my tummy," said Annie. Suddenly, Adam felt something on his arm. He looked down and shouted, "Ah, ah, ants, ants, ants!" Quickly, Adam and Annie packed up the basket, rolled up the mat, and ran home laughing. The end.